Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create drop-down list in Excel with multiple selections. So what I am trying to show you right here is we have the state names, and I want to go ahead and create a drop-down list for their initials. And for us to do that one, I have to use a new or another document for this one, or another sheet in this case. So I have these guys here as a reference, but we're going to be using them. We're going to head over first here, and then in the first answer, or in the first question, you're going to go ahead and head over there, go to data, and then we're going to look for data validation. So I'm just going to click this one and allow. Instead of doing that one, I'm going to say list, and then source, go ahead and click this one right here. And then what basically you're going to head over to your sources and then highlight them all. After doing so, just go ahead and hit the enter, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit OK here. So from here, you should be able to basically head over to the first one and just drag it to the others. So as you can see here, there is this thing right here where you can click. It's kind of like a drop down. So in this case, Illinois IL, oops, and then New York, NY, Wisconsin. So this is gonna be we. Oops, we have two Illinois. This was supposed to be California. Or this was California. One of these is New Jersey. So let's just say, for example, this one, New Jersey. And then here you can see that we have NZ or NJ supposedly. We can just go ahead and change it here. And yep, and J, there you go. Basically, that's how you're going to do it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helps.